Let's see how you can generate more sales using Wi-Fi marketing in your brick and mortar business. Wi-Fi marketing is an innovative way for brick and mortar businesses to build customer loyalty by leveraging on-premises guest Wi-Fi to send emails, SMS, and automate other customer communications. So the idea behind is that you provide free Wi-Fi for your customers in exchange of something, and also after that you actually start promoting your offers to those kind of customers. So by this you can actually build your own customer list containing the emails, phone numbers, those kind of things. So let's see why Wi-Fi marketing. So over 80% of the customers routinely use their mobile devices in stores to enable purchase decisions, and according to the data from Cisco, 96% of the customers prefer to shop at stores that have a free Wi-Fi, and they are also more likely to return. So that means by using these two stats, then you can simply conclude that having a Wi-Fi marketing is a no-brainer for your business. So I'm going to show a demo of how this works. So here there's a QR code over here. So basically you can print this QR code into your business location and display as free Wi-Fi access, something like that. So that what happens is that when they scan this particular QR code, the customers will be prompted to open their messenger, and the chatbot will actually start talking to them. So now I'm going to scan this particular QR code over here. So it's my mobile. So when they scan it, it will show something like that, and if I click this, it will simply open my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page, and the chatbot will start running. As you can see here, it says, "Hello Mukundan, happy to see you here and hope you're having a great time. Use the following settings to join the Wi-Fi spot." So it says the Wi-Fi spot over here, my name and also the password. So basically they can simply enter this password and join the Wi-Fi. So it also says, "Please tap the button below if you are able to connect to a free Wi-Fi." So when they click "thank you," it will say "you are welcome," and also it will send some kind of follow-up messages to the customers, so like this. So here what we are doing here is that we are providing the 10% off for the customers, and they actually need to subscribe to the VIP list offers to get the 10% today. So basically the customers actually who are scanning or using your Wi-Fi are at your store at the moment, so it's a no-brainer for them to subscribe to your VIP list and get 10% off on that particular day. So they will most likely to subscribe to your VIP list. So when they click this button, "join VIP list," it will ask for them to opt in for this kind of message. So it says VIP customer offers. So if they tap this get message button, then it will provide you an ability to send messages to your customers, one message per day. But actually you don't need to send actually one message per day. Maybe you can send 2-3 messages weekly promoting some of your offers and providing some kind of value to your customers. So if they tap this button, then they are providing you permission to send the messages to your customers, and also it will ask for the email as well. So let me tap the email easily. So they don't need to actually type the email, so it will automatically pop out the email from the Facebook. So likewise this is the mobile number over here. So these things are automatically coming from the Facebook account, so they can actually submit the different kind of phone number or email as well. So it says, "Well done Mukundan, you are now a VIP customer at this my page, and show this to the cashier to get 10% off on your order today." So this to the particular cashier and to get the 10% off. So if they click this done button, it will say "thank you and see you soon." So basically you can also send follow-up messages as well, like after like a few hours or maybe 23 hours, something like that, or as they have already opted in for your VIP offers, you can send some kind of new offers for them as well. So using these kind of follow-up message, you can actually send a message asking for them to leave a review on the Google as well. So basically there are a lot of possibilities over here as well. So to summarize, it says you can simply build an audience list such as messenger, email, phone number list for future marketing purposes, and also it will increase the sales with free Wi-Fi and with additional 10% off, because they will spend more likely to spend more time in your store, and also as they are getting 10% off, then there is a high chance they will tend to spend more. And also this thing you can also request for reviews on Google, Yelp and Facebook as well. So these are some of the possibilities with Wi-Fi marketing. So if you have any questions regarding this, please let me know in the comments.